G'day, Westy here. Hey, first of all, just a quick disclaimer. I am not a financial advisor, so please take whatever I say as a grain of salt and enjoy the educational services that we try to provide. Thanks for tuning in. G'day, Westy here. Thank you for tuning in. We're going to do a quick tutorial on how to manage your miner through the direct command line, which is a lot faster than doing it through this method. So what we're going to do here is we're going to click on the little arrow with the line underneath it with the square around it, not this one here. That's for running commands directly. Actually, you can do it through there. I'll just show you first of all what that does. So I'm going to do a remote access. So we'll start a Hive shell start, which takes a little bit of probably 30 seconds or so. And what we're looking for is a little square box with an arrow that goes up, and that gives us a link that you can click directly into to get onto the Hive OS. So click on this little square with the arrow, and this loads you directly into, sorry for the bright light, this loads you directly into Hive OS. So that's in Hive, and now type in miner, M-I-N-E-R. Oh, no caps. It's case sensitive, so yep. Okay, so that's directly in our miner with what's going on, and you can now I'll actually go back into the dashboard of Hive OS itself, and I'm going to click in here and try. I haven't tried this before, so I'll try it. Go run command, and I'm just going to go miner stop, enter, and I'll go to shell and I'll see if that's actually stopped. Yep, so that's terminated the miner, and I can go back in here again and run command and go miner start, enter, and we'll go back into the shell. And hopefully that will, if I type in miner again. Okay, now as you can see down here, it's just starting to kick off system boot, and it's starting to build the DAG file now. So to get out, you can do it another way. You can hold down control, press A, and then press D, holding control down the whole time, and then you can do it directly in there. Miner stop, and that stops it as well. And if I go into miner now, it's failed to start the miner. So you can go miner restart. Okay, so it's restarted the miner, and now we can go miner and get back into the miner. There we go, so it's just booted up again. So that's a few ways you can do it. So obviously in here, if you go into the run command, you get straight control straight away directly. So yeah, so hopefully that helps you out and shows you the speed that you can do it, rather than having to go through this process here of miner start and miner stop. It takes a little bit of time. This is a lot faster. You can just go straight to the command line, and I'll show you how quick it is. So I'll go miner stop and go back into the shell, and there you go, it stopped. It's taken literally 2 seconds, and that's from my network through the internet to the miner, which is in another location. So and when you're in there, if you're in here and you want to restart it, you can just press miner start, Okay, so it's starting miner, but to get into the miner, you've still got to type miner to get into the miner once, if that makes sense. Yep. So yes, so this gives you real time what's going on. This doesn't give you real time, so this takes a little while to refresh. My refresh rate's about 30 seconds. So if you want to see exactly what's going on, or whether you're having problems booting the miner, this is where you want to be in this interface to actually see what's exactly going on. Like if you've got a card failing or anything like that, or a command line issue where you've put in a command in the config, and it's playing up. This is where you'll see that. Okay, so it's built the DAG file, and now it's starting to see if it can find a share. Just explaining the process here. It's found a share on device 2, which is my second 3060 Ti. And so there you go. She's starting to mine now. And thanks for tuning in. I hope that helps give you a bit more of an understanding of how quick the command line process is when you're working directly in the Hive OS itself. Alright, so remember, the key thing to remember to get out of here is Control A D, and that takes you back. That doesn't stop the mining because the mining's still going on. That just takes you back into the shell. So anyway, thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you on the next one. Cheers, guys.